Hi guys, it's Jacqueline here. Okay, so what we're going to be learning today is how to have a predictable online income. And what I mean by that is imagine if you knew each day exactly how much income to expect because you knew the system and how that system worked, because that is exactly what we do. And so I wanted to show you that. So I've got my notes here and I just want to make sure that I don't forget anything. All right, so this is what I want to show you first. So this is how our system works. So whenever we go, let me share my screen here. Whenever we go to here, I know every day exactly how many people are putting in their information here, right? I know that from, let's say I do a TikTok live or a Facebook live, okay? I know after that, the amount of people that have put in their information off of that live, like what has helped with that live, right? And so because of that, they automatically get sent to our automations, and my automations tell me who's clicking, who's opening, who's seeing, all that, how many, if I have 10, if I have 15 on a video. And then once I see that there might be a video that maybe is not doing what I want it to do, I can go in here and I can see, I can redo my training, right? If there's something that I need to work on, because that's something that is valuable and that is giving me value as a business owner, because I'm able to see by the numbers, and numbers don't lie. I'm able to see exactly if I know that by email number 6 or 7, that's when I'm getting a sale, then I automatically know that I have to have this many emails entered in a day. And then by day 6 or 7, whenever those email automations are going out, then I know exactly what those numbers are, whether they're 100, 900, 300, 600, whatever it might be. I know what to look for because I know what my numbers are and I check those numbers. So here's the deal. So once you purchase, you're going to get that too. But I want to show you first. So you're going to get, oops, sorry, let me click back here so I can show you. I want to make sure you see it too. Okay, so you're going to get over here, you have on your training. Well, right here, how to import and set up your email automations. So I'm going to give you my email automations. This is going to be in here. I'm going to show you exactly the emails that I use that make daily pay for our family, and you're going to get that. Okay, I'm going to give you that. Then you have access to me at any point in time. You're able to email me and say, you know what, I need help on this email automation. Can you help me with that? Absolutely, let me help you. But here's the deal. You are your own business owner and you have leeway on how you want to do this. Now, I will say you want to still follow the system. You want to follow it because it's proven, and that is what's bringing in these millions of dollars for each of our owners, each of our business owners. Okay, so let's say that you want to do TikTok first, and that's your platform you want to learn, right? You go in here, you set up on TikTok, then you can go further and you can go to the next page. And on the next page, as you've gone down and you're getting your brand and you're learning what you are, like that's what we do. We have an entire TikTok training, right? We have it for Facebook, we have it for YouTube, we have it for, Pinterest, we have it for all the different platforms that you might need. And you get all the information that we've used. Now, besides that, what do I do? What do I do to know about my predictable income stream? So each day I spend about 30 days copy, paste, and posting ads. You know how I know that these are coming in, these numbers are coming to this screen right here, right? Emails are coming in here, and just like you did, okay, emails are coming in here. I'm able to see, okay, these are my numbers. I have posted ads yesterday and I did a live TikTok and I did this. So like after each step, what I'm looking at, what is necessary to know exactly what income to expect that day. So I usually do 1 to 2 YouTube video postings a week. I do a live every day. You don't have to do these things, okay? You can learn this one by one. I will say for us, our income streams are mainly on our lives. They're mainly on our YouTubes. They're mainly with our posting in social media. Now, once again, there's no DMing. I do not DM anybody. In fact, I have that on a lot of my emails that I will not DM you, but you are more than welcome to send me a message on my email system because I don't want to have I don't want that to be chasing after people. I want them to want it, just like I want you to want it. So, all right. So here's the deal. In order to have that, we do what's called learning and earning at the same time. And that's why I was showing you that page. And if you've been following along, you've seen many of these messages before and you've seen exactly what our system looks like, how to convert those ads. See those ads that we're talking about right here. We're going to give you those step by steps. Here's that YouTube that I was telling you about. Here's that Pinterest. Here's how to do those reels, right? So you're going to learn and you're going to earn at the same time. And that is what is so cool, because not only am I able to post and able to put forth, but now I can walk away because I have those automations working for me. I'm able to walk away and go spend time with my family. So I started first out at TikTok, then I moved over to Facebook, then I branched out to YouTube. So you don't have to do this all at once, right? This is just something you learn and earn at the same time. So as you're learning, you can start growing, but yet you want to make sure that you're always keeping that 2 hour time schedule, because, and we teach you that. We just had a training again today about how to do that. So I want you to learn this also. I want you to be able to open up and say, you know what, I got this, I can do this because I know I have somebody, a good mentor. And that's what we want to do. We want to mentor you through doing this and you be able to own your own business confidently with integrity. So I'm just saying, if you want a life change and you want something that is a predictable income and you can see it, you know by the numbers what you're seeing, then this is it. And it has been for us. And so I'm excited to share it with others. If you have any questions at all, please comment below or reply. And I would love to get you the answers that you need. So I really hope that helps you today.